In the world of high-speed getaways and real-life drama, few things match the raw adrenaline of a police chase. Captured on dash cams across the country, these aren't scenes from a movie. They're 100% real. Buckle up, because today we're counting down the top 5 wildest police chases caught on Dashcam in 2025. From near misses to jaw-dropping maneuvers, you won't believe how these ended.
Hands! Hands out the window!
Put your hands out.
Cleburne County, Arkansas, October 28, 2024. Police spotted a stolen Ford F-450 towing stolen equipment. When they attempted to stop it, the suspect pretended to comply but suddenly floored the gas, sparking a tense chase. Can the police bring this dangerous pursuit to a safe end? The suspect's high-speed getaway kicked up thick clouds of dust, blinding pursuing officers as they raced across pavement and dirt. With visibility near zero, a sudden stop could have spelled disaster. Yet the chase continued, more dangerous than ever. Spike strips were deployed, shredding multiple tires and causing the suspect to lose control, but he stubbornly continued to flee. Do you see that? The dust is covering the scene. Maybe even the police can't see anything. Perhaps he knows every turn, and is recklessly betting it all.
White County still has spikes in the road. I don't know about speeds are 55.
In a reckless move, an officer, urged by his supervisor, attempted a pit maneuver on a heavy-duty truck. Disaster struck. His patrol car was flipped in a violent collision. Chaos erupted as multiple patrol cars from different agencies crashed into each other, causing a massive chain collision.
We wrecked out. White County start rate 10-16.
Many might think this is a scene straight out of the Blues Brothers, but there's a catch. If a police cruiser performed a pit maneuver on an F-450 towing 12,000 pounds, according to a director's script, the truck would somehow get pushed off the road. Reality, however, is much harsher.
Yeah, my unit's been in an accident, as well as 318s. We've got a couple other White County MB-18.
The suspect abandoned the stolen truck after crashing through a fence and fled on foot into the woods. A coordinated effort involving K-9 teams, a state police helicopter, and multiple ground units led to a swift arrest.
I don't know. I'm good.
With 20 prior arrests since 2008, Robert Eddy's latest arrest adds to his long criminal history. He now faces multiple felonies, including aggravated assault on law enforcement and grand theft auto. At what point should repeat offenders face harsher consequences?
On January 22, 2025, in Sebastian County, the police tried to block the vehicle, but the driver rushed through intersections at high speed. Could the officers regain control before it's too late? The car continued speeding, the driver showing no sign of stopping. The police attempted a pit maneuver to block the path, but the driver accelerated, weaving through heavy traffic and swerving constantly.
northbound, coming up 71, same hours, come through, we're going. We're headed back, towards town. Back on Jenny's Lake here. Turn into the south corner.
The car raced into an apartment complex across a wide field with the driver trying to evade capture. But suddenly, the police rammed the car into a narrow corner, pinning it down and leaving the driver unable to move any further. As the car came to a stop, the suspect grabbed a knife from inside the vehicle. Sergeant Price immediately deployed K9 Rick to attack. The window was shattered, and a struggle ensued on the spot to prevent the dangerous act.
Get out of the car! Get out of the car! Get out of the car! Quit my dog! Quit fighting my dog! Fucking! Get out of the car now! Get out! Get out! Get on the ground right now!
After a period of resistance, the driver was finally subdued and arrested. The arrest ended with no injuries, but the psychological aftershock surely lingers. The Anoka, Minnesota police spotted a 2007 Saturn SI-2 speeding down Highway 65. The driver, who was wanted for sexual assault, was immediately pursued by units, but he recklessly attempted to flee. The patrol teams closed in, using the PIT maneuver to box in the vehicle, but the suspect skillfully evaded their efforts. After 15 minutes of high-speed pursuit, the car caught fire on the highway. Officers rushed in to rescue and safely apprehend the suspect. Fortunately, there were no casualties, only vehicle damage. On March 4, 2024, Florida police spotted a white Dodge Charger speeding at a tremendous rate. When signaled to pull over, the driver immediately took the CR 762 exit. The suspect's vehicle attempted to overtake the police car, but collided violently, causing both vehicles to lose control and crash into the grassy shoulder. The suspect's car then plummeted into a deep water ditch. After the crash, police apprehended the two suspects. They claimed they ran because they feared the police, but a search revealed marijuana and a handgun in the car. Their secret was exposed, and they were sent straight to jail.
Cross towards me, trying to carjack somebody.
A man recklessly clung to a moving vehicle to steal, and that's when the officer had no other choice.
Why are you guys running from John?
Wait, why? We need help.
Here, come back here.
He tried to kill me last night.
Here, come back here. Hey, does John have any weapons right now?
Yeah, there's probably knives and stuff in the house.
John carry a gun? Hey, John, what's going on right now?
On January 27th in Lathrop, California, police received a report of domestic violence. Upon arrival, the suspect, Juan Valdez, 40, fled, and a breathtaking chase ensued on the streets.
We have one taken off. 2058.
Throughout the chase, Juan Valdez drove recklessly, going the wrong way, running red lights, ignoring traffic laws, and continuously making U-turns, creating a chaotic and dangerous situation. But then, his tire unexpectedly burst, causing the vehicle to come to a halt. He jumped out and clung to the door of another car, attempting to wrest control of the wheel from the driver. Even as the car continued moving, Valdez refused to let go.
He's trying to carjack a victim vehicle, holding on.
He's trying to carjack the victim vehicle with penetration.
Shut! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Shots fired, shots fired.
When the victim stopped the car, Valdez continued his attempt to hijack it. At that moment, police opened fire, bringing him down. Officers restrained and provided first aid. Valdez was later taken into custody, facing serious charges.
EMS code 3. Can't breathe! Hey, chill! Right. It's a ledge. Put your legs over here this way. Alright, be alright.
If you support the police chasing a murder suspect to the end, even if it's dangerous, type chase. If you think officer safety should come first, type hold.
I can't breathe! We're working on it.